Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do, you know. If I first time watch a channel here, please do subscribe. Burn it down to the ground. But stay tuned to the end. We are working things to talk about. Let's go.
Like girl have to look good sometime. Can't like a refresh every day though.
That's a true still.
Anyways, why pray, why motive?
So I'm going to relax. I just come out for a run. I'm going to turn the lights on. So,
just be a boring girl and so I come back and check the man.
so nobody no craving there nothing.
My love. You know, so last time I make freak girl.
And you sleep? And you sleep on pillow? That's how you do.
I know, so I used to pillow.
I want to also that's for next day.
Greetings.
Hello.
I something come over and find out.
Where you come from?
Yes,
No, no, they're for them.
So you should show me up in front of a nice girl. I do that.
No.
That's something left over here, I come for. You know, see me have a little purple squishy something over here.
Okay, no problem.
So, one handcuff something like man.
I don't know.
Oh,
I
fluffy something.
don't know.
Are you cause of this?
Yeah.
Oh, more time to about something. Come here.
Ah! You know what I'm talking about? Oh, my God.
She's nice, man. Yes. You know what? The easy access then, man. What
Me here right now. If you like me, you can't
no,
tell
it's
me.
little more. Tomorrow I come for something, yeah? Alright. Yeah,
Yo, breather. Come here, one day, where you going now? Yo, you can't move, some man.
well gone.
Yo, I feel you never call from the black round say no say. Be a girl having your breather and girl round there now. Oh, no, you man, that's somebody else.
Oh,
I know. Yeah, but we tell us enough for your youth still because you're not. Yeah. So, that would them girl line up.
oh, my cousin and our friend.
Oh, cousin, friend, you know good? That friend that look good though, I look dreamy. I wonder if I miss you look pan. You think me have money? I no money, my friend. Can I help you? Right now I want a big woman. Older woman. I can't manage a young girl them. They look good, they here look good. Chop me. Well, go on, my friend. You know man, I'm friend. So,
look come on here.
I them call it, man. Chop you. Go on.
See me going at it.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. So, what is the now to them now? You see how that's general, you know? I be a general the farm what you know. Every time you general me, where you want to go to them now? Tell me one story now.
I want to go bike shopping.
So that you call me about.
Yeah.
So you knew what
I'm a cousin.
your cousin? Hope so you ain't not make no good soup and I feel that, you know. I'm a bread, you know, I'm check him out and ask him, you know.
I want to do ya.
They say your cousin. Enough time woman tell me say them cousin and them cousin wasn't them cousin.
I'm a cousin.
Until they
like
start thorough good soup. At that the time them listen no. Me like you, you know. I'm investing in you, you know. I know me don't know if you're a man or woman, but me still I invest. Because when the time for me with jar, hope say something to them for me with jars. If you want to go shopping, come on, go shop then. But you what? Keep the budget down. In your mind for now. Come on. Come in the car. Come in the car. Me out the car.
Yeah, sister girl. You nice idea.
I tell them, hey, I wish man we got books out and an idea.
Tell me now.
We can call a look Rasta man, you know.
Let me come on, some money.
I go call him and tell me, say, you want to go on the road, you're taking card. I have money for the card, you know, and more than one card the boy have.
So tell me something.
Mm-hmm.
I way back out in here.
Way back there.
Man, Rippy.
Come on.
Rippy Donny. Not even 100 of the left money. And when if you keep up your account, Donny.
You say, my cousin, I tell them my cousin I get paid, you know.
Stop telling lie.
True, man. Tell them my cousin I get paid. But guess what? Let me call the man. Tell him, say, oops, I'm going to get my phone now.
Yeah, do that. Money. Smell money.
That's it. Hello, baby. Hi. I'm okay. So where are you? I'm at home. You can come and pick me up. It's me and my friend. Okay. Ashley. Yeah. I'm going to town to get some stuff. Yeah, come now. Okay. Alright. He might come.
Now?
Yeah. So get yourself ready. But anyway, if you call back to, you know,
Call him, come on, look at money.
go call him. Yo, cuz boy. Yeah. You know what say? I say now later on, 'cause I guess I'm a happy girl feel, you know. Yeah, man. The same girl we I say like, when I set up a pan, I make sure come around here and later. I say 100. Yeah, man. Yeah, go did it, man. Yeah, go on, sir. Me not chicken out that thing, bro. The girl a come. Alright. Yo, Pinky.
You say my forward?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get
Get
yourself
yourself.
ready.
Yeah.
So when say I go no woman, cause you just call me out of the blues, you know. And you carry your friend that he says, you know, like some people come then. Huh? Where you want to go?
So phone a ring and say phone.
People them in car call me, them tell something like drive out the car, you know. Anytime, as I drive out, look at that check up on a bum bar car, yeah.
But then
As you
know,
drive
know
out the
where
car,
you
so.
go.
No, hello? Alright, me a forward. I have to go back. But if you just drop down fast and down on the fast,
You are going machine.
remember say, then take my car, you know. So I'm up here, man, you have your car go home.
So when you are going to look for your car,
If you go to the bank, go sit down, and that go take her 3-4 hours.
so when we go get money now, you have money for you?
You got no money, I say I work for the people. Them. So that really, you can't pick up for?
Yeah. My next car, the more than one car they have.
I tell you, the next car they lock down, because you not have suck it down. And yeah, why? You know what I'm saying? Me I want fool for you know. Because at 3 months now, me are there and I don't know if you're a man or you're a woman, you know. And me just a spend so. And every time you come round me, your sister come but you in some revealing stuff like as a sister you go get it. But every time, I bet so by next week when your sister gone, you know where to be found until you come back this separate time. Me notice you know, you have a pattern.
My grandmother always say all good things come to those who wait, so wait.
But my grandfather said, but not to those who wait too long. Alright.
Oh God, that's a change, you know.
You know, say your friend if you pick up. Friendly, you know, say me and you for them more than your friend. You can't talk to her for me. Eh? You can't talk to her for me.
I don't business in a cockroach night, you know.
Yo, she have me run up on some blue balls, you know. She have me on blue balls. And then your friend talk to her.
I don't business in a man and woman relationship. Your boss could have blue look more yellow or red.
Babe, you can change it from blue to green.
So I really like I said, I look my friend.
But now look a friend, I was really a reason. Because she have magic touch.
And a magic touch.
No.
Yo, Ash. Remember say no. Bob get paid. So when I go over there, you know, guess where I go. So when I go make you go in, you know, I go make you know somebody there. So when I go in that house and everything, I go out of there. So as I get in money, just make my funny nice and then go come and say, Pinky, come on, we have to go.
Yeah, I'm here to tell about it. I got scared every bit.
Hey.
I give you $10 and I left. Come on. Babe. then. Yes, I told her, come over, son.
Listen,
So, what?
there.
How man look on?
That's how people say it.
Miss Ella.
I know you miss me.
So, I'm going to do something.
What up? Money. Man, tell me that.
Oh, that's why. How much is that?
Like, silver.
Alright, so. Your baby mother, she soon come.
Most likely, I don't know, she just
So we can't do nothing then.
no, I don't think so. She soon come. So, alright, to speak of it. No, she's supposed to. She's soon come.
Wow, somebody something I know me can't get it.
Next time, man. Next time, she on the boat. No, she come and
So we are talking about me, I'm mad somebody.
But you know, a baby mother that. So you know, see a baby mother that.
Alright, I'll come back on in there.
Alright, do it.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come on, now.
Oh, yeah.
Cause boy. Well, go on, that good.
Yeah, man,
So
the good
when she
man.
gonna call me here?
Eh?
You say like her.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, take care.
Alright, cause boy, later be safe, you know.
Yeah, man, you
I'm good
too.
on the road, so we say we need to come back and check you again.
We call him.
You will call me? Sure.
Yeah.
Alright, cause boy, later, yeah.
Look more.
Say, sister, girl. Hold the money. Fear that. Fear the one. Fear that girl. Come on, how much money that? Fear that, bring her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One. It's about $100 US.
Listen, party later.
What? Yeah? Yo, be right now.
Yo, we need to come on, yeah, man.
Yeah, dear.
What do you mean by what me I do here? Today Friday, today pay day. Me come for me pitney money.
So you're going so aggressive. Yeah, man. Jesus Christ. Well, more. I get no pay today.
What do you mean by you not get no pay?
I get
No. Explain to me what you mean by you not get no pay. You know, see you take me and me pitney for idiot. You know, see you take me. Give me this. What do you mean by you not get no pay? Eh?
No, me say me don't get no pay, me don't get no pay. The boss don't call me, the boss don't call me, and the boss don't call me. So me don't get no money.
At this morning, me come over here. Me come over here this morning because me mean it say as cock take off in drawers.
Talk to her, me say if no neighbor.
Me no business with a neighbor. I'm a matter of fact, in neighbor where you talk about, tell me say you can collect your pay.
Which neighbor?
Your same friend where you have
Hey,
a
Dr.
neighbor.
Margaret.
Let me tell you something. Listen to me. Me I come back. 2 months for my money. Me pick the money and me tell you this.
What?
Me want me pick the money. Let me tell you.
You want one man?
I'm a matter of fact, if you phone me now, give back. Let me get, if you not give me pick the money, I sell it.
Jesus Christ.
Bad boy. We can't miss everything down with the phone. Bad boy.
Oh, God.
Wait a minute, take your phone. Come in, Lord, see the one go on. Baby mother just call your phone and your baby mother answer the phone, sir.
You know, say you go come over here asking for money.
Come in. Oh, I can't say baby mother tell me say right now. Your phone. You have your phone. How come I will go and get paid that time?
Woman come over here. First one B calling with me. And then B pay some money.
Which be?
One brown girl, man.
Honestly.
She slim, man.
So you give me one and blow more pay?
Wait no, me give him some of my money. Right, me they have bought 1,000.
What girl?
Me they have about 12,000 yes.
What girl?
She slim man and brown. She here catch up.
So what girl do to you, sir? You must get some front or something?
No, she come in there and she rub me down and thing. And me give her some of the money and me they have 400 US like back. And then look like she take it from me. So if me man come and say money and so me
Your baby mother, you say your woman?
yeah,
Oh, yeah,
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 mother. But she come pay.
But, give me maintain. Can I know, man? Touch down!
So true now.
You're going. Can I tell you something? All the girls stay bad boy.
You wanna take the money?
Yeah.
She slim man and brown.
So who give that woman then?
I'm a cousin.
When you know,
When you go here, like ask me if you like it or when she go. So like you want to go come back and take me.
yo, me tell you about the girl business in and a fear. You understand? Me tell you say you better go down a bridge or you go find one girl a country. But hear me I say now, I'm bridging. Because really and truly, you know, you have to pay for your half of the money to make you move, you know. But nah, pay for your money to go up on a mission then. Because if you go play football and that are the entry fee if you go in, you better pay the money. So if you not have your money, a big money football, you know. A big money football, I need to make the money there because remember say me a football king, you know that. Me no want you ramp with that money. Anyway, are your cousin,
Yeah.
you know, get no front fan girl and he got all the money.
Girl taking the
And that means say your cousin set it up.
yes, because by the time she go here, she know say come and do all yeah.
Because they know say you not good for you know for chat to woman, you know. Your cousin know that you say cousin, I said girl in my party. Yeah, your cousin, you know, I want original thing, you know. I will for money take off of me, you know. But when him realize him original, you know, get dollar for me. So your friend in my party, I know the girl in my party, you know. I told them, I tell them for the road, you know. And they want to go mash it, they want to go get money for them here, you know, to get to the same time like you know. So no more than me let off them back and then come for vacation and then I'm forward. I'll show you a chicken now. Alright. Yo, you get the money out of your money, you know. I have got the money, you know.
What am I money?
Yeah.
Something like
Come up
that.
more top nice man. Yeah. I'm not normal. But you can go on now. I'll put the phone on private car. Call your cousin. Right? And when she's up on the phone, you go a ball. So no kill you. What's up, boy? I go kill you. I go kill you. Where my money there? Where my money there? Yo, you see if you want to see if I can cousin alive, you need to carry 11 how much money you take, man? 12? No, you're not money for much, man. Me accute, come man, and show me how I'm going to do. Much money? 1,200. You need to carry $1,200 US come right now, where's me going? The boy teach me $1,200 US. I go murder him. Yeah, hear me now. You have less than half an hour. No, I'm on the phone yet. Tell me and tell you what I'm going to do. And then the guy say, yeah, not kill me, man. Not kill me, cousin. Yeah. And you go on like, talk to your cousin. He go say, you know, sir, I did some of the money with thief and be a friend. So we can get back because they go kill me. You understand? Say, yo, I go down the road and come back. Make sure I come back, yeah, you know, get it. You see, they don't come back on gear.
Yeah, man, I give you
Yeah, man. So what's your going on now? You ready now? Right, so you ready now?
Yeah.
I put it on private. Let me say, can.
Girl. That's a girl. Hey, hey.
When we don't
Go away,
spend
girl.
money this evening,
Go away, girl. Whoa.
Come on. Take the shower from the gun, then you come
Just
here.
gonna ring them.
This will answer.
Bingo. Ashley Bingo. Ashley Bingo.
Put on speaker. Huh? No, no, yeah. You play voice never change, you know. Loud, it change the voice to me. Loud, change the voice. When your phone start ringing. When it start ringing, that's when you deal with it. Alright? That's when you deal with it, man. Yeah, again. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Jesus Christ, don't kill me, please, me, I beg you.
Bob?
Yo, nobody the balling, you know.
Please,
Come
Bob,
on.
what do you, Bob?
Cause remember, so when you thief man money, you know, you never did a ball, you know.
When do?
Yeah, cousin.
Yeah.
Inside cousin, my call, cause right now, me a murder him over here, you know.
Oh, what happened? When do?
You know, say give boy a piece of work for
Take
do.
you good off of me, no, man. Take you
Yeah,
good off of me, no.
and me tell the boy, say, you know ramp the money, you know, cause listen, me no man, I mean, name gold teeth, ring teeth, kill teeth, and everything, you know, yo. So, yo, me a murder him over here, you know.
What me for do?
Yo, inside you take your money, you know. Inside you give the money or your friend, you give your friend somebody the money right now. If you know,
Don't kill me, please,
Yo.
me, I beg you. Don't kill
I'm
me.
gonna need me $1,200 US right now. You want to see back your cousin alive?
Yeah, me.
You want to see back your cousin alive?
Where you there?
Listen me.
Where you
Me
there?
a go down the road, and if when me pass back up in yard, him not have my money in the place I burn down with him in it.
Alright, me
So,
with the
me
money.
go lock the door with him in it. You push the money out of the game because he can't come out. Because me ain't just me lucky. You hear me I say?
Alright, me
So you
come with
push the money
now.
under the back. Because that boy thief my money, and me need my money now.
You never know say a thief, sorry.
Listen me. Listen me. You shouldn't have to know, charge one extra money, you know. But you know, you have money?
Me not no money, me not.
You come back the exact money then. They see if you have money,
Yeah.
you would have put that money on it.
That's crazy, Pinky.
How?
Bob thief your money. We have to carry back or else the more kill back. Come on.
Jesus. Girl. I have to hold it back, don't call me techie.
Yeah, you have to carry.
Jesus.
Come on. Hurry up, my Pinky there, my cousin.
Well, they give me part and I put on back part.
Alright, come.
Yo, so, lock up the house in there. Lock up your night. Lock up your night. Then some lock you up from inside. Just lock you from inside. So, I'm move out the side till them forward.
Bob!
Baby.
Bob! Just see him. See here. Everything.
Everything. Later, eh?
Later, I don't want nobody to come shot me. Later.
Bonnie though. Yeah, man. Me see them walk when they walk out back, man.
Yeah, man.
You work out. You might go to your time now. Because you lose your whole. That the end of the time, I come and pull you, you know. You two time, I'm not brush it. But remember, say, a 3 bills for the match. If we really match, we get the prize. But next time, don't farm food. No drive, we're going to go check
Alright.
2 more, somebody I know has to go. Go on.
Alright. Yeah, babes. Oh, yes, sir. I feel some money for you.
Right. What do you mean by what we are? Me and you not have one people together. What do you mean by what we
Me
are?
nah no money. Me nah no money for my no pick. Me nah no money.
When we get
I
this
don't
out.
have any money.
Hello.
You
Don't
say me
touch
nah
me.
no money. You say me nah no money.
You know no money. Listen, me now when me get this a workless baby father you from you know. You're workless.
Amen.
Me say. I go and go to the middle of the square and I go and make them know say you're not mine your picnic. Just watch me on.
Me nah no money. Me nah no money. Me nah no money for my no pitney. Everybody, me broke. Neighbor, me broke. Me nah no money for my no. Mama come guy yard. Me nah no money for my no. I don't have a job. Me say, me nah no money. Mama
Calm down
come
your
go.
keckle.
Me nah no money. Come on, tell me.
Cycle your
Tell
keckle.
me something about me nah no
You
money.
should have shame on yourself.
Shame on my-
You come out
shame
to
on
the
yourself.
it's alright. You come out to come first, but you don't have no money. I go and plan for your
Me nah
now.
no money.
No worry yourself, you go and chat. I know who I go and link to deal with your case. When I done with you, I'm gonna broke you. Just watch. Hello. But there, man, you know, say up on the beach, me I go just go all the vibes, just sit down and look out. You know that really? Yeah. Alright, when me reach home, I call her back here. Come just want so alone time right now. Alright.
What's up, my friend? Now go back craft market. Let's see if we get 2 crab in here and piece of weed. Then see later, girl. I'll hit up we have for this. So go and catch us some 2 something.
I'm gonna take long in hurry up, man. Aye.
You girl. Girl.
Yo, friend.
You run.
Where they come out of someone, get out of someone, friend.
Come on, Tessa.
Where
A long time I want buck your girl. Long time. Me want buck your top, but me pick me a jacket. A jacket.
Hey, girl. Yeah, idiot.
Come on, come on. Oh, me pick me a jacket.
Cut.
Hey, girl, look on my friend.
Oh, me pick me a jacket. Girl, oh, you can't chat, but me pick me a jacket.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot, girl.
See you next time. Hold on for my friend. Pull him out to my water. There you go. You pick your jacket.
Yo, you cut it up. Oh, no, go on, so. Oh, no, woman, you know. I want to go on, so. Yo, look at that. Look at that.
You know the club.
Yeah, when you cut. When you cut it. When you cut it, man. When you woman, you know. What kind of thing you go on? Yeah, cut. When you cut it out. When you cut it out. When you cut it out, man. Go down fight for now.
No, man.
You know to do that, man. What's she pregnant again? She always pregnant, you know.
Girl?
Look, since you never put your number down, see it down.
Drop them in our tank, huh?
This is she have under control. You act at that. Yeah? She man come back, you know. I do
I
want.
don't know if the fire can come through that beach.
I do want mash her up. Well, no me put back film again. Because you know learning English is good. So after you go back the attack again. Nah, go stop.
Nah, go step too.
Nah, go stop.
I'm gonna take him, man. And that shit come be my boy.
Number 4.
Well, we need to go after the girl because something wrong.
You say, girl? Not even more weed and me 2 cigarette them. I could have done when I press off it. But I say, yo, sir, hold that them. Nobody want it, hold that them. Run, come. You want to kick her in her face?
I'm saying, no, the girl attacked me from back way, you know. Back way, come the back, you know. How me feel, you know, when you're sprayed, you feel like something in the back of my look around. My girl, that person, I do that, but he picked me a jacket.
I know, say, I devil. I devil tell me if I go buy weed and 2 cigarettes, you know. I the devil. Cause if me ever did it, she could creep up from back way. I don't know, say, when me I walk to go buy the weed, where she come from? It look like when me I walk fast and go so, she a come the other way and me not see her, but she see me, you know. Man, the devil strong do us here, so she could have come broke me up. I want part 2 minutes here, not true. Hold me half guard.
Kill me. Could have killed Papa, me hold me by my neck and pull me over. Which she had killed me. And then I come get her.
Right now, to tell you the truth, you don't feel like I'm for tonight.
You have fever tonight?
Yeah!
Alright, then do your thing. I'm not
You not left here. You not left here. Next thing we go out and ask somebody to come kick out the door. Come here!
Alia!
Oi.
Oh,
What nice here. How you look so? Oh, me look so? Right now, what you don't even know. I told girl me just hold down a beach. What me say? Right now, what you don't even know, girl. Me say me head crab up.
who are we
Me
having
have
them
to
for?
One of them I say me pick me a jacket. Me baby father cousin. She have the audacity, you know. If you come chat about my pick me a jacket, you know. Me say nah done so. And the 2 of them she and her, I don't even know the next girl that with her friend or who. The 2 of them use their head and go, whoo! Drop them on ground.
I don't believe it. I say it.
You don't know what say? All the girl that are my baby father, cousin, she me use as one bowling ball and lick down the manga one. And then I say the manga one, she a whole line of the sea. Show her so.
So you know what though?
And guess what? Guess what? There is my friend, my fat friend I may have. I want idiot girl.
That
If
was
you ever
friend.
hear where they chat, no you know where they talk boy yo.
So girl fi attack things about me and girl don't know me.
They must have made a friend for a long time, you know,
Yes,
girl.
but it doesn't matter. They don't know me.
Well, she say ya idiot girl. Yeah, and me can't go for my friend bring come because guess what? Me and you can't do them nothing. Listen, hey, you don't know me want to do to the girl man. Let's say especially the cousin. Eh? I pop me want poppy neck man. Me want poppy neck.
Oh yeah, Father God.
please, in that ear, come in. Please, when I get in that ear, please. Because them girls don't know me, no. Them girls don't know me.
How they have the audacity?
Well, go on. I want to fight to the Bunny Beach. It's a lucky thing that come along, you know. One of them could kill on yourself, you know. One could kill on yourself, you know. But I rather want to fight over me. It's sure I want to fight over more than a fight. I don't want to fight over though.
Rasta, let me tell you this.
So,
Me say,
I him part, you know.
And me have to part them. She alone, me see her fight two girls, and me see two girls, girl a kick, and me see girl a spin, and me see girl a do. No, if me didn't like the first part of the action, but me see that get real bad. Me have to stop it.
So, Landy, and they up there call up my name.
Well, me never there listen. You see me as a man, me don't listen to them business. Me no hear nothing at all. Me just say this a fly. Choop, choop, choop. And me see this and me just say, yeah, me just come party. But anyway, you know what I want? I want a special. That rum?
You don't say you don't run out.
Alright then. Well, if you run out, me I run out. Alright? We link again, but you look too good for your fight, man.
exactly.
Yeah, too good.
But me have to defend myself, Rasta. Can you imagine? Me have want me pick me with this a man where me did live with. And they gonna tell me say a jacket me pick me.
Oh. But you can do it DNA and sure.
Me posit me not fi do no DNA.
Oh.
And him alone me did a sleep
But
with.
then said it was something like Moria come to Jamaica, so
Make it come.
when the show come, you go on it and declare yourself. Alright? Where's that? Yeah, rub over there.
I tell you no, you know.
Calm
And
yourself,
say,
man. Calm yourself. Listen. No need to pitch them. Cause no girl can call up my name on road and get away with you know. Don't worry yourself about it. Do not worry yourself. I don't know ya. Like you're a big bad wolfer. Just settle yourself. Full if you don't have no heart for kitchen. Now one of them girls they must come and me shop, you know. You know that. Me must but where say next one here where my one here? Cause I know the cousin where the maga one here.
how was she name again? I don't even remember if I Ashley or Pink. Something she name. I don't remember one. Marga one. Marga like a tick so.
Bleach out one.
Bleach out of tattoo. She same one. But is that?
Yeah. Hello. Hold on, hang up. Me I get another call. What going? You know, say me the funny go down. Me had me up here now. Who's part that sale? Where? Holly Master, who's running something? Oh, alright, may I get it here, yeah? Alright. Good girl, we so caliber. Can you hear me deal with something so caliber? Alright. Alright, cousin la. Oh, my your girlfriend are basically sister.
You know what I'm
I'm a
saying?
best
When I
friend.
see it,
Remember when last meeting for now? Every day we talk to her.
Your friend him can war. Every minute the girl see me, she want to fight me.
Sometimes someone no man deserve it. But she want to fight if I know where you don't know.
I just feel regular habits.
What you do?
Nothing, but anyways, differently, you know, say still, one girl try to con me.
You remember one girl tried to come you?
Girl try to con me, take all my money.
So she take it?
Well, she take it, yes, but me get it back. Thanks to my Rasta Virgin. Pull
Who's
off
Rasta
and go
Virgin?
stunt. Yeah, pull off and go stunt. Act like, you know, when a car people come here and say, you know, say, you have your son, you're going to get such amount of money.
Yeah.
And me
Extortion
Yeah,
business.
I'm going to say, don't keep. I said, let's tell him, wait, no, I said, let's tell him. He said, I don't mean I Rasta. After telling him, he said, I tell him, he said, give back the money. So then, he came back to me, and I'm going to go down. I just take off his
So basically you get back all your money.
All of my US.
And the girl in face you're in a danger with you.
Yeah, tell you. I'm just doing a start thing.
Why am I going to try to cheat the for one man one day?
Eat up your food, papi. Eat.
Girlie,
Oh,
I fucking this up.
you know, say I'm looking every girl. I'm going to drop him off this morning.
Pretty door, pretty apart.
Nice to cook one.
Anyways, I have so swiggy up.
Oh,
Last night, me I take a little walk in. On a high low this so. Guess who me see a chat to like a dog? Your cousin Dirty Bob.
Bob?
Yes, I chat with the baby mother friend.
Baby mother friend, that a big fat girl.
Yes. Anyways
So,
now.
with her.
Yeah, you know say I can't the dirty dog then can we? Before we bring back the money. I said then set we up.
It's a good thing saying that all that money we can back.
Oh, that's why I tell us I not carry everything.
Yeah.
Why say? Oh, they fool. We them as arguing about fool. I would not have no sense. Now we carry back the money fast. I want to say, but guess what? We have a plan for them back.
How come the idiot?
We have a plan for them back. I want you call him and ask him when. No, not call him. That's all it's suspicious.
That's right.
We are going to find out when he going to get one big pay.
I know when you get paid, man. I must know when I'm paid.
Oh, then that no good.
Next week, you might get paid again.
Me afraid of him. I go sweet up, I go call him and say, babe, sorry for the take away little money from you.
Don't tell him say they take away, and I'm say they take that. You know.
If we carry back then I must know say we take it.
But remember saying give you money. He give you money and then I take away money out of inside.
That's true, girl. That's true. But anyways, I got my come to tell about say the girl. Yeah, you say the girl I chat to. So she beat out with nastiness.
Me talk to. I say I throw my food was shift so. In the sand. And the girl drop me. Making the back up on me.
Yes, and mama say, oh, she take my body and your body and rock it up together and roll it up like a rolling ball.
Yeah.
And she take the bag one and lick the fat one. Yes, and plumb in the sea.
Yeah. I want really a go on. I don't understand what I go on.
Girl, me say me go up on the road last night. I suppose we get to hear everything.
Then we not have to. First we have to go back for Bob. Then we have to go back to the fat girl then. And we have to go back to the baby mother.
Hold on there. See the fat girl and the baby mother friend? Yes, so she set up the girl against we. So we chat her like a dog. Yeah.
Yeah, Fian, come me tired. From all the way up there, don't go past it. What you say?
Tell her friend say we are chat her. Cause she want company. So she go in as a bad girl and go on like a bad girl and I say she be with. That big fat sour girl, when you empty, I don't take her man more.
So then go on.
That sour swant girl, I gonna take her man more.
What sweet, then they go to the road them baby.
That little humpy dumpy, I gonna take her man so more. Out of that. Anyways, do what my friend. I'm gonna go back on the road. So,
Take care of
the little sweet one. Take care of the little sweet one. Now call him here. See much that show by food, girl. What you like? You want to come with me, girl?
You want to go with her?
Okay, I'm gonna shop and come back.
Alright, go on a shop with her. Jesus Christ. This is shit have to change.
See how crispy fire. Oh, policeman. See your daughter here where you're not mine. Look, watch her. Look how I pick the favor here. Just look. Your dirty cousin called chat. But I'm gonna pick me a jacket. Wow.
Two different colors. This look. Will you come by brown?
Color have nothing to do with it. Remember say I bleach, you bleach.
I must say,
You're a black boy. See how the baby a boy because every minute we have to argue.
I call me brother, come over here, come look on it.
Go on, boy.
Oh, go on.
No, you know, it's not too dark where I run from and jump the
You
fence
just
over the
got
sun.
to think about it again.
Go on.
Look on the baby and tell me, the baby inside.
As you come, baby, a ball. Hello? Let me see your face. Move your jinx, let me see your face. Move your jinx, let me see your face. The baby have cold low. Go on. Hello? Hi.
My girl, come
Where's her now?
The baby the flavor me. Look, no black baby that.
You brown.
I bleach as that.
No, but normally if you bleach yourself, the picnic gonna come white. Because you're gonna bleach by you. And when you walk, the bleach gonna come out and make the picnic white.
Rasta.
So me I like Murray. I'm there in a hurry. The baby is
Not mine.
I know if you know now no. Cause you brown and you unless the man brown.
You see Uno Papa? When neglect them pitney when they're young, wait till when the pitney grow up now.
Alright, take the
and
baby.
become-
If the baby go to you, I feel your picnic.
He don't know him.
I'm saying for my picnic. Come to me. Come here.
Never.
Me no know. Me no know you like
Hello,
that.
no one to pitney
Anyway.
maintain.
Another my picnic.
Alright, just give me the bag. Can't give father. Can't give father. Can't go give father. Go.
No worry yourself.
I said they can't scam you, boy. You know, see the picnic black like a tar. And you brown. And she brown. And now for your picnic, a black picnic. Coolie black. They picnic is coolie. Yeah, coolie. The picnic are straight Indian. Me say they can your door. Yo, and last time, me I want you know, you have to be careful.
No man, that's why I'm gonna say yeah my picnic.
But you never know. Anyway, I run up and down. I have things to do right now. You're not find back the girl that go with the money, eh?
No.
Hey! Yo, me tell you one thing. A same thing I'm to my virgin, you know. The same scam to go foreign, you know. In one of virgin set him up, you know.
I tell her, I say yes now.
So what happened to, but what happened to man, happened to men. So, why? They ain't go can you, they ain't go, you can't take can do. Listen me. Me not run them joke there. From the girl that tell her say you want XYZ money, make you go borrow money. You have to pay them loan, you know? If you not pay them loan, then go put up your picture up on the wall down there.
So we can't pull off his stunt or pull off his last time.
No, listen now. You see, from the loan office give you the money, you have to pay back the money. You understand? Because them a scammer, you know. So if you run off with the money and go publish it straight across the free, everyone at the office where they have you see your picture upon the set, son. So everybody go know your face. You understand? So my thing to you now, my advice to you, pay back the money. Because you get scammed honestly. That's a straight scam. That girl is a chopper. Is a female chopper that. Because chop when chop you. We party no man in take film in the girl there in the Caribbean or enjoy himself. What about your cousin? Cousin no party in there?
I'm not too trust she, no, because I told them the same thing. A friend there.
Well, I can't help you, boy. You get knocked. You get what the dog get.
Alright. Oh God. Yeah, man, I'm going to enjoy the evening.
You say, me have seen if it on the door. Here we go on. I have a foreign link where people then go up on farm work.
Yeah.
And more, you get the link there. Cause Jamaica no fit you at all.
Jamaican look good for you, none all. So here we go. 500,000. For go up on the link door.
Alright, now the kind of money, man.
What you say, man? Borrow one loan.
You look like it.
You go borrow one loan. You must say I work until you say you must can borrow one loan. Get one loan, man. Now get the paperwork and give me. So,
Go check for you.
yeah. And when I get through, you carry money come and your paperwork come in. And you get through, you're good to go, you left Jamaica. And Jamaica no fit at all. Here, so.
Alright, then, I waste no time. I go look at it. I go down there. No. I
Alright.
would have a team. So, yeah, for the same time.
Yeah, come on, man.
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Go on.
Then,
You know, so I come back.
they get through.
Yeah, man, they tell me say qualify to get it, but start take 2 to 3 days the process.
Alright.
Yeah, so when we pick up the car,
Alright. Later.
so yeah, so see you in the next 2 to 3 days.
Alright.
What go on you? That's the parliament here.
So see how my road place, man.
Loan this I go.
Yeah, man, approve everything. I get a- Yeah, man, I get a loan, man. They might give me $1 million. $500,000.
$500,000
Yeah.
loan for that.
Yeah, approve everything, so them I go check. You know,
So
man.
you can give me a money with that bad dog.
Daddy, book out. You see we hear about it, I there at the final date.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
I'm not there for 6 months, I hear about it. I'm not there, man, money book.
So what kind of link you have so bad dog when you go foreign, man? I work or where you go?
Work, me I go work, man, and do something I process something better off. You know?
Well. If I that you deal with this still. Or before they lock still. Because I move and I'm not too tired. So man, I wait pan. I look like somebody time me out. So I drive go up on my yard there, man. Yo, we talk doing it, but if I go foreign, you know where you go. Just give me a link for over there. Alright.
Hello. Me get the money, you know. Yeah, man, at US, me get it, you know. Do you buy a come pick up it and the paperwork. Alright.
You get the money? Me help your county.
Right, man, right.
Hey, but more help your county. Right, paper like that. Alright, that is it.
don't move enough. Don't move. Somebody are calling you. Here? Somebody are calling you right now.
Erica. Just rub your pussy, girl. I just trick him, say me have a farm work for you. Pick up one, and he have to pay 500,000 for the lake, girl. And tell us if you go borrow one loan. See the money here. Right now, a part me a get, cause guess what?
So where you go now?
Me a go to Panama.
So this year give me? But what? When I reach Panama, because you send me more money.
Yeah, go eat more. Hey, if you come here, you see not see me go long.
You must see you from when later. Safe journey, yeah, my friend. Backside. You never see Pinky.
What go on?
Yeah.
Wait, where your friend?
Which friend?
You go on the
Pinky?
Yeah.
I don't know Pinky, I don't want to see Pinky much there now.
You don't love me, I don't figure. You gonna rob me, brother. Much US, maybe gonna take out loan for much money. I may give the girl, cause I got them boy work and the girl don't have no money.
What kind of work that Pinky tell about?
Girl tell
for
about
the
some
money?
overseas work. Say,
So how much money
say me have to give money and so. He say a 500,000 I gonna need. Understand? And me get me buy a loan, me get a $500,000 and me give him 4,000 US.
Oh, we don't answer, but I'm not Pinky family.
Girl take try. You sure you're not off with it?
No.
How you feel your friend, you know?
But I'm not see her friend, so she can.
Sure she don't mind.
So you try the one because she not there, yeah. Like that, if so. Why would I do in a jar?
Alright.
You can just start with woman, sir. Every time woman rub you, rough by your side.
Oi! Come on.
You go to Panama, you know.
So you just get a pack up and say you got Panama and me don't know nothing about it.
So now come now until I say me I go to Panama.
Yeah, but you come now to tell me say you leave. When you leave?
Me I leave right now, mommy.
Yeah, but what me I say, you must have this plan long time. You could have come and tell me as a mother and say to me, say, Mom, you know me when I come over. You just come hot, boop, and just drop it like a tamale and me like that. That's how you do business. Come on, man, come sit down and say, come in and understand you at all. Come sit right here. You don't understand you. You can't do business like that, man. I phone and I have, and then you are going. The other three that you take your sister and
Long time.
one of them, you and me, the mother.
So mommy don't come now until I say me I go to Panama.
Where you go Panama from?
Me I go spend some time
To do?
by myself.
So you're that stressed out that you have to travel?
No, me not stressed. Me just I go spend some time.
Alright. Okay. When you leave home?
Money.
You get money from the jackpot?
Work. What if money, mommy? What if money?
And look how long you give me a thing. Let me see how much money you have.
Me can't see.
No, I can't see. And you know, so I have to keep on my shades because of my eye. So,
I just love corn, so. I'm more neighbor, but just corn.
no, give me a light. Let me count and see how much. Give me a light. I don't hold back on you. I
I'm corn the one day.
don't hold back on with the little. I don't hold back on nothing with you guys. I want money this now. Me God, me gone over $1 million already. Me not in another account no more. They make me ask you something now. This is for me, right? This is mine. Your sibling them all drive BMW, Lamborghini, Mercedes Benz, Ferrari. So why mommy can't drive Ferrari too? Oh God, that's all the treat me. I'm a suffer with no. No, sir. It's not sounding right.
How you do?
No, I the thing here for the phone.
Oh, I'm not give you some money. In time I go over, I'm going to send you some money, so. How yourself?
You know what they say?
So when you say watch me,
You know what they say? Comfort. Comfort. It comfort something under them. I forgot they could say my grandmother always said. And that's how you do to me right now. I tell me things where not even right.
you know you say watch.
You see him?
Eh?
Oh, your hand looks so like it's swollen. How we hitch up on your hand? The boy hitch up on your hand?
No, sir. Nobody know you should come here and do me. You know what you do? Picture. You know what you do?
Just hold on, man. The measure you see what size brace. You see that way so nice to me and bring a nice piece of money come give me one say. You're fat. You're not gonna damn Panama. Go which glass in Panama. Go which Panama. Eh?
How did you do this?
Go which Panama. Which Panama you go?
So take it money
Which Panama you go?
I lock me up yourself.
Yeah, me go buy myself a nice car. Look on the piece of jalopy what me a drive for years. Look a piece of pot. Every time I forgot the supermarket a problem. And who not drive big car to talk about say you got Panama. You not go no way.
Give me money.
Give us money. Give me that thing on the envelope.
Come pull me from here.
Me not pull nothing till me buy
Come on,
it.
so look for your other friend them a buy BMW and sit there. They come get a driver fight and get no money.
You want me special.
And you see me come now I want to go
You
Panama.
are my special and you know that you have to take care of them. Them they are fat. Them come like them poop up granny. They're not good. So this is mine. So you sit on the stand until me feel like release you. When I feel like release you, I release you. I'm the mother here. Me run the thing. I make all the shots.
Glory be to the Most High again. Burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're up on the Nigel Beach. You know. I look how far we reach. Yeah, man. We're there, man. I go on all the time to try to survive it. You know what I mean? It has been a journey. And we still continue blazing the fire. You know what I mean? There's a lot of things going on, you know. You know what I mean? But you don't have to stay tuned. A lot of things are going on in the world. You need to open your eyes. You know what I mean? I realize a human being no longer really concerned about what's going on. You know what I mean? When life is good, all the something that the seashell is important. You know what I mean? But the way our life said in a yard, you know, get to appreciate the simpler things then. You know what I mean? You know, see them things there because the pressure of life in a yard, yeah. They make you see things normal. So when you wake up in the morning, you're there on a fighting mood. So a lot of things going on differently, is it? So where movies concerned, still not getting no help. You know what I mean? Still not getting no help. Just been doing it ourselves, you know what I mean? The first part it start off good, but I guess because a lot of people know it's not a scam. You know what I mean? It's not a lot of scam. It's a mission. So I know where I'm going with it, you know what I mean? And may I watch it and I give it time. You know what I mean? So try to do my best. If you come to the test, I have to go fly out of Jamaica for a minute, that I have to go on. You know what I mean? Because I understand that value is a lot of things. And I don't think my country value me. You know what I mean? My country value, not to value after you make it, they want to take it and wreck it. You know what I mean? My country not value me, because my country not look out for the people them who are trying to make it. Them just look out for what them can take. And they talk the truth and enough get vexed. But we know, and that will come about the importance of the future. You see, the film industry, it must be something that look at properly. You know what I mean? I know that the people them who do the right thing are wait for people elsewhere to do the right thing. You know what I mean? Because them not involved in the grassroots of building anything. You know what I mean? So them only chip in to make themselves look good. They're not really genuine. You know what I mean? So we can't debate upon that. Can't stress upon that really. We have to just go and put in the work as usual. You know what I mean? So we continuously blazing the fire, man. So it's a good thing, it's a good look. You know what I mean? It's a good look. But we need to get the thing properly. We need to have a channel, a big channel, you know, we run the whole Caribbean then, should say. You know what I mean? A real channel, the movie. So it will boost the movie industry, so you have, you know, the thing there. You know what I mean? And we don't want a thing come apart, we can be a part of it. Then just take the ideas them and run with it. We don't want that. We don't want no more slavery. We did the same way, but we want to get out of it. And slavery is not in the mind only. It's around you physically. You know what I mean? So when one and two get through, they will look back and say, oh, Ras, I don't get through yet. I don't know want to get through, man. No, but it's just like when I want to have a choice, then go choose who they want to let through. Because there's a gatekeeper. You know what I mean? There's a gatekeeper. So 10 somebody can go in if they say 5 to go in. You understand? So it's not free, dumb, really. It's nothing about that. It's about holding you down. That's all I've seen, you know what I mean? I've put in a lot of work. You know what I mean? So when I was young, the story that them tell you, you know, if you work hard, you will achieve this, you will achieve that. You know what I mean? Them make it so hard. I see people working so hard and having nothing. Check your reason in the day, man. I see people work so hard all them life and have nothing. And I see people who not even work. Gone with everything. You understand? So you have to listen. You have to try to find a way out for yourself. And this is why the system is like it how it is. Them want you find a way out, and if you make it, then take it and wreck it. You know what I mean? But anyway, we're there up on the beach side. There's our meditation still. And I raise you know, subscriber from that time till this time. Thank you for tuning in and support the program. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people to big up. And so me lacking at some things because me have to go have like a archive because people call me from time to time and tell me them name. But when it, like I'm push out and now, me not having list for me, so I have to go do that and for ensure say, you know, I start write down the name them so I can do the right thing. But true, we're not really comfortable yet still and bag of things, we just try to fight it. So my time everything on their party today. You know what I mean? But look on it, look what going on out here. It's a good look in a paradise. Only thing that we're suffering. Take a look around and see what's going on. Back to me, tell them now. I see Jamaica. I build some nice prison now. Right? Me no see them I build nothing for the youths them need that still, you know, but them I build a prison for them. So you expect them to do bad. Well, they build the prison. Build one factory too. You know what I mean? Build something we go build the youths them. Build a big studio. About that. Tell them they have to kill. We don't love the people them, man. We don't go on like on a skill. Everything good. Anyway. We left that to our next day, you know. So give thanks for tuning in, you know. JAMMIWOOD to the world. We continue fighting the fight. Yeah, it has been a long day. You know what I mean? So we just have pass through still. And I say what we feel. And when me speak, I don't speak to myself only. I speak to whole heap of people. Because I reach with them and this is their concern. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground. That is it.